Okay, good morning student. 8th B maths class, chapter number 8, part 2, construction. On the base of geometrical figure property, we will construct given figure as per given measurement. So 8.1 and that 4 pattern of quadrilateral with minimum 5 requirement we have completed. Now 8.2, first rough diagram. Draw rectangle ABCD. So rough diagram ABCD. AB is given 6, BC is given 4.5. Here only two information given, but as we know that opposite opposite sides are equal, so 6 to 6, 4.5, 4.5, correct. Now first draw 6 centimeter, that I will take it inch. Then draw 90 degree. Then here also you have to draw 90 degree. Then 4.5 arc. So cut this. Now with the scale, I think someone is calling. Someone is wait, someone is calling. Now see, it is okay. Someone is disturbing. Okay, next, draw square. Hello. Now it will. Okay, now draw square with 5.2. This is first square. So 5.2 is given. All are 5.2, 5.2, 5.2, 5.2, 5.2. So I take 5.2. ABCD. And we know that in a square all the angles are 90 degree. Whose mic is on? Now height is the same because base and height in the square are same. I'll extend, no problem. Okay, now with the scale. Okay, it is okay now. So माइक ऑफ करो जल्दी जल्दी. Here 6 centimeter. सुरवेश माइक ऑफ करो. सुरवेश what? Sorry, why you are making your mic on? Rhombus with 4 centimeter and one angle is 75. Now rhombus means all sides are equal. That it is given 4 centimeter and one angle is given. So how to draw rhombus with one side, one angle? Now 75 with the help of protractor. You can take this is 75. Okay, and you know that if it is 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter. Now all arcs are equal because all sides are equal. This is 4, so from here also it is 4. This is 4, so from here it is 4. This is 4, so from here it is 4. Now we join rest of all the point 1 to 3. You will find this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 75, this is 75, this is 105, this is 1. Like this rhombus you can construct. Fourth one, rectangle. Fourth, rectangle. Rough diagram. Diagonal is given, one side is given 24, 24, one diagonal 26 it is given 26. Find the other side. This is x. So this is A, B, C, D. These x opposite are equal. Opposite are equal. So this is not the question of construction. Voice is clear, bachcha? Hello. Screen also clear, you can see. And 10th standard students are calling and you people are making your mic on. So disturbance from outside, inside. in this right angle triangle. This is a calculation only, note construction. 8.2 fourth question. So in right angle triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square, is it AC square? This is x square, 24 square, 26 square, x square, 26 square, 24 square. I don't know what is the square of 26. I don't know what is the square of 24. So without that, how to do? Easy calculation. A square minus b square means what? A plus b, a minus b. So this total will be 50. This difference will be 2. Again, whose mic is on? So this rest, two sides are of 30, sorry 10, 10. Day by day I am trying myself to improve. See, there was a problem with the protractor. This is homemade protractor by steel scale, screwdriver, nut ball, sellotape, 2 marker. There was a small apparatus in the compass box, not available. I made long. There was a long line problem. I bought this very long stick scale. So regarding voice problem, I bought this new, very expensive. Now regarding some network issue, tomorrow my carpenter will come, so router and all that will set. So that also tomorrow you will get 100% perfect network. So every day I am trying my best and from the day first I am working very hard on online. For you people, for outsider, there are lots of around 500 students of 10th standard are under me studying online from my home, and for that they have given me best teacher, Guru Sanman. So you see, best teacher online. Gold medal for best teaching. This trophy. Yesterday by parcel I got this. So trust on me. I'll try my best of best to improve your maths. Length of the diagonal of the rhombus are given 16 and 12. Find the sides in the perimeter of the rhombus. Very good. 16 and 12 are the these are the rhombus. All sides are x. In a rhombus, diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So that is 16. So 8. This is 12. So 6. And this is O. This is ABC. AO is equal to OC. It is AC by 2. 12 by 2. It is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So exactly DOOD. And always AC perpendicular to BD. What is the reason? Property of rhombus. In rhombus, diagonals are bisector of each other. In rhombus, diagonals are bisector of each other. Why people are disturbing me on mobile? That no interaction with between these two. Okay, now this and these are half. This and these are half. This is perpendicular. Why? Because it is a property of diagonal of rhombus. In rhombus, diagonals are perpendicular. In square, diagonals are perpendicular. Okay. So in right angle triangle AOB, AO square BO square is equal to AB square. So 6 square plus 8 square. This formula you can't apply here because this is for a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. 6 is 36, 8 is 64, 1 am square. So am square it is 100. So am it is 10. So all sides are 10 centimeter. Correct. This part is visible, I think. Tomorrow you will get better this all. Find the length of the diagonal of a square whose side is 8. Very easy. It is given square. We want diagonal. So A, B, C, D. What is it? 8 centimeter given. 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. This is the question. In square ABCD, AB perpendicular to BC. Therefore, in right angle triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square, AC square, 8 square, 8 square, x square, 8 is a 64, 8 is a 64, x square, 128, x square, 2 into 64, x square. Square root of 2 not possible. Square root of 64 possible, so 8. So this is 8 root 2 centimeter. How to find out diagonal of rectangle? Sorry, square. Measure one of the rhombus is 50. Measure the remaining 3 angle. Rhombus. In rhombus, opposite angles are congruent. A, B, C, D. One angle is given only, that is 50. Reasoning should be very solid. If this is a rhombus, opposite angles are congruent and adjacent are supplementary. Quadrilateral A, B, C, D is rhombus. Measure angle D, it is measure angle B, it is 50. Measure angle A, it is measure angle C, it is X. What is the reason? Opposite angle of rhombus. Now this is 50, this is 50, this is XX. But 1 and 2, it is 180 always. Nearby sum of two angle is 180. Or you can say A plus B is equal to 180. Measure angle A, measure angle B, it is 180. A is X, B is 50, so 180. This goes back side. It is 130. So X is what? A and C. So this is 130. This is follow. Any question you can ask. Board is clear now, board and voice. Today there are sufficient students, otherwise every time I am observing the number of the students are under 40. This is, I think, very first time more than 50. So better first you take the screenshot up to question number, here they have given 7 questions, last 3 questions, 5, 6, 7. These 3 questions are of calculation, not for the construction. Here it is given rectangle, question number 1. Question number 2 they have given square. Question number 3 they have given rhombus. Question number 4 they have given rectangle. So first I have drawn rough diagram, then I have drawn fair diagram. Start. Take screenshot. Because in next exercise only question answer. Only question answer. Okay. Now only 3. Now only 3 questions. In next lecture, Tuesday, Wednesday, you prepared which parties remain, that we will do. Don't worry, that is my duty to complete all the doubts, all the portion, the remaining part, direct variation, indirect variation. I have given the value, but that also I will explain. Don't worry. Now 3 questions. Mm. 8.3. Measurement of opposite angle of parallelogram is given. Find all the angles. Very good and very important. 3 star. Okay. It is given parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Opposite angle are given. 3x minus 2, 50 minus x. This is question, this is also question. All angle we have to find. So, quadrilateral A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Therefore, measure angle A is equal to measure angle C. Opposite angle are congruent, right? A is equal to 3x minus 2, 50 minus x, 3x plus x, 50 plus 2. This goes this side plus, this goes this side plus 4x, 52. 52 half is 26. 26 half it is 30. So I will find measure angle A, that is 3x minus 2 or 22. 2. 3, 13 minus 2. 33 is 39 minus 2. 37 degrees. Okay. Therefore, measure angle A is equal to measure angle C. Rishi, why you are sending hi to anybody? Rishi, you gonna mad or what? Kindly leave the meeting. This type of nonsense giri I don't want in my class. Wait, after this lecture I am calling. You people are not understanding. Measure angle A plus measure angle B. Adjacent sides are supplementary, so 180. So A is given 37. Here you are coming for study or sending hi to somebody. Atharva hi. And Atharva is the hero of St. Lawrence. So he has selected only Atharva, the great guy of St. Lawrence, great guy of 8th B, the most powerful and famous person. You know, I got lots of complaints. 40 less 143. So B is equal to D, opposite are equal. Opposite angle of parallelogram. This is a sign of parallelogram. Atharva, I will call you also because I am finding lots of musty from your side also. Again, it's a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. Diagonals are bisector of each other. These are the property of parallelogram. WZ is 4.5. WZ 4.5. So XY is equal to 4.5. Opposite side of parallelogram. If this is 4.5, this is 4.5. With a reason you have right. Only just question answer. YZ. YZ. So XW. That is also 8.2. Opposite side of parallelogram. I have connected one another device in which I can observe that voice is clear or not, screen is clear or not. So if it is very uh, Rishi Yadav 8B73. So I am also checking here, but if there is any major problem, you can write in emergency. But hi to Atharva, Atharva भी गया अभी वो भी गया ऋषि यादव OX is equal to OZ. That is same 2.5. Diagonals are bisector of each other. W is equal to OY. It is 3.3. Therefore, WY is equal to 3.3 plus 3.3. 3.3, 6.6. Here the reason is same. Diagonals are bisector of each other. See, before 3 minutes there was 49 students. Here it is 42 students. Means rest these 7 students, no, they came only for the time pass. And when I started taking the roll number, no, they vanished, disappeared fully. No, but my this device is on recording base. Each and every your activity I have recorded. WZY, this is given 120. WXY we want. WXY. So measure angle WZY is equal to WXY is equal to 120. Opposite angle of parallelogram are congruent. Okay, now this much are the questions from 2. Now question number 3. Construct a parallelogram. Construct a parallelogram. Rough I will do here. First rough diagram. ABCD. BC7. ABC. So better you take opposite. Which angle B is given? ABCD like this. Because small angle is given, no? 40. This you can't take. AB is 3. This is also 3. BC is 7. This is also 7. Two opposite sides are 7, 7. Two opposite sides are 3, 3. So it is different type. There is a scale. So take 3B 40 degree. So I draw 40 degrees. And it is parallelogram. So this is 140. Or here also you can 40 degree. Here also you can take 40 degree. So it is parallel. Pratik, what happened? Coming, going, coming, going, coming, going. Now 7. This side are 7. This is 7. So from here I'll cut. From here I'll cut. This is 40 degree, this is also 40 degree. This is 140 degree because total is 180. 140 degree. This is 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Take fast photograph because within 1 minute they will cancel.